Hello guys, a very good day. So today we'll be discussing the fixed questions. Okay, questions that have a very high probability in your upcoming English board exams. So with the preparations underway, we'll be discussing the same. Yeah, so these are the questions. So we have 30 MCQs. Okay, so this PDF you can access this PDF through the WhatsApp group. Okay, we have 30 questions in all. So part A, Juliet does not describe the night in 2 dash was the initial punishment given to the criminal. According to the speaker of On Children, life does not tarry with. 4, Donna Laura enters the park accompanied by Dash in the play A Sunny Morning. 5th, in The Gardener, the rivalry between Tamanna and Basavaya started moving from visible to the abstract domain when Tamanna thought of. 6th question, Borges believes that poetic act happens when. 7th question, we have the analogy question. Complete the analogy with reference to Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye. Driver, hunter, pedestrian, dash. In the water, Roof was a very popular man in his village. According to Sainath, more than economic aspect, dash that the cycling brings is vital for rural women of Pudukkottai. 10th, which is the odd pair among the following. Similarly, we have the passive, similarly we have the passive form question, the expressions, and match the nouns and pronouns. Another 10 MCQs. Again, 11, 12 and 13 are the same questions that usually repeat. So the passive form of the verb, the expressions, and match the following. So we have 3 sets of these. Okay. Followed by part B. Okay, so here are the part B questions. So the 2 markers. What are the 2 things that Romeo intends to do after the measure? According to the prophet in On Children, what parents may house and what they may not? What is Chipko movement? Women from which region participated in it? According to Vandana Shiva. Which is the mighty movement mentioned in the poem Water? Where did it happen? We have these are the 3 mark questions, and we'll discuss the 4 mark questions as well. These are the 4 mark questions. How was Himalayan region affected by logging according to Vandana Shiva? How does Don Gonzalo recall the beauty of the Silver Maiden? How does a poet portray that his love is different from that of the others in the poem When You Are Old? How does the child's food get defeated as described in the poem To the Food from Its Child? What aspects of nature make this earth heaven according to Kuvempu? Why bowing is difficult for a visitor to learn according to George Mikes? So we have again 3 sets of the 3 marker and 4 marker questions. Yeah, so these are questions that are having very high probability. You can access this PDF in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so kindly download and please solve the questions, mark them. Okay, and all the best for your exam. Additional to those, you have I have also done the model question paper 1, model question paper 2, as well as the complete revision. Okay, so you can access these videos also in the Deeksha Karnataka channel as you prepare for the final English exam. Okay, thank you, all the best, good luck.